Hi, I've had my 95 Yukon for about probably 20 years and love everything about it except for several of those years, high on the HVAC until today did not work. Now it does. Low, medium 1, medium 2, and finally high. Yay! So I had tried everything, gone through several of the control panels, several of these switches, all to no avail. Now they have, only for 95, the adapter wires to adapt the 95 wires with these to make your HVAC work. Well, guess what? That didn't work either. So finally, after many hours of research, what the problem is right there. You have to take the jock box out because it's behind it. That's the blower motor relay. Guess what? It only works for high. All the other, low, medium, and all that work on another switch. This blower motor relay is only for high speed. $22 at AutoZone, and I now have high. I'm sure it'll work for other years, probably 95 to 99 for sure. But I am just so jazzed. For years, I haven't had high, and now because of that little $22 part from AutoZone, I have high. There's the wires for it. But I've never even made a video before, let alone posted one, but I feel strongly enough about this that I am. So hope it helps you. Thanks, bye.